In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check HeyGen credits. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your remaining credits, how to review what you've used, and how to read the visual summaries so you can plan your projects with confidence. First, head to the HeyGen web app in your browser and sign in if you aren't already. Once you're on the home screen, look to the bottom left corner of the page for your profile icon. This is the small avatar or initial that opens your account options. Click that to bring up the account menu. From there, choose Settings. This takes you into your account and workspace configuration area. You'll land in Workspace Settings, which is the right place to manage usage. If you're part of multiple teams, just confirm you're viewing the correct workspace for the credits you want to check. Your current workspace name usually appears near the top of the page. Next, in the left-hand menu, select Usage and History. This section is dedicated to tracking consumption and is where HeyGen surfaces your remaining credits and what you've spent them on. Inside this section, you'll see two main views, Usage and History. Start on the Usage view. Here, HeyGen shows your current credit balance and the period it applies to, often aligned with your billing cycle. Think of credits as the fuel for actions like generating or rendering content. Each action may consume a set amount. If you see a projected reset date, that's when your credits typically refresh. Keep an eye on this page before large renders so you're not caught off guard mid-project. Now switch to the History tab to review a detailed log of what's been used. This is helpful for understanding where credits went across days or team members in your workspace. You'll see entries that correspond to tasks like video generations or other credit-consuming actions, which can help you pinpoint spikes or confirm expected usage after a big batch run. Within History, you can view your data as a graph. Click Graph to see trends over time. Spikes usually align with bigger renders or multiple tasks in a short window. This view is great for spotting patterns like heavier usage at the end of a production cycle. If you prefer specifics, click Table for a line-by-line breakdown. Here you'll find each activity listed with details such as date and type of action along with credits consumed. Use this to reconcile activity or communicate usage to your team. That's it. By visiting Settings, then Usage and History, and reviewing both the usage summary and the history and graph or table view, you'll always know exactly how your HeyGen credits are being spent.